Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh 2025 episode of Crypto Mila. Guys, Hoppy New Year. Today we're gonna speak about our favorite frog, Hoppy, because guys, I have some good news about Hoppy. I have some great things what I found in the charts. What can serve all the Hoppy investors and all the Hoppy believers, guys? Because I think in the way how I look the charts that Hopi will make some great move in this month. So we are very near the bottom, guys. And guys, this is the way how I am trading is with the MRI. The MRI count, it's for me a strong indication. The thing what I like from the MRI count, guys, is that it's not just showing where the price is going, but also with the timestamp. But what of a lot of indicators nowadays that doesn't show really a timestamp. Like you can see approximately when the price go up or down, but you don't have any time indication. And what I like from the MRI count, it's a very old system of trading. What I like from it that you can see the timestamp. And beside that, guys, with the MRI count, you don't need actually other indicators. You can only use the MRI count, and you can find out approximately very good where the bottom is and where the top is. So, guys, like you all know, Hoppy, this until now it went a lot down the last 3 months, 2 3 months. So let's take a look in the charts because I think that's now the most important. Let's dive in the charts because I really have something very special to show. What I think nobody else until now showed. Until now, I didn't saw this prediction. A little cup of the coffee, guys. Also, if I didn't wish you all a perfect, great 2025, guys, I wish you all a fantastic 2025 and hopefully with a great hope year. So, guys, what I want to start with it's the weekly chart. A couple weeks ago, I already announced that around half January, we're gonna have a very big probability that the bottom is reached with Hoppy and we're gonna make a upwards movement. And I know, guys, you had a lot of patience. We had patience since around 28 October, guys. That's already a couple weeks ago. That's already like let's say 9 weeks, almost 10 weeks ago, guys. So guys, what I want to show it's that in my MRI count, we have almost an MRI 9. We are now on MRI 8. In 9 MRI, it means the bottom is reached and we're going to have a big movement, a large movement for a long time of period, guys. This is a good, strong indication. I personally have a lot of trust and faith in the MRI count. I already use it more than, let's say, 8 years. I self-trade 11 years, guys. But MRI count, I use it 8 years. Originally, it's from Tom DeMark, but this is a special edition of it. It's a little bit, some little things are changed, what is even better than the Tom DeMark count. So, guys, in this count, we're going to have next week MRI 9. We are now 3 days away 3 days and 11 hours away from the weekly close. When the weekly is closed, we're gonna start the 9. The 9 MRI count, guys, it's the bottom week. It means that a big probability that next week. So in 3, let's say between 3, 7, 10 days, let's say between 10 to 14 days, I expect a big bounce. We are now at 2 January. So my expectation is that half January, around 15 January, around between 15 and 20 January, guys, we can have a big movement. And it can already start earlier because the 9 count, it starts in 3 days and 11 hours. But because it's a 1 week, again, 1 week in the 9 count. So then we are around let's say 10, 11 January, that the MRI 9 count is finished. So, guys, around 11, 10, 11 January, I expect a big bounce from Hoppy. And this is For me, a quite strong indication, like you saw, saw guys here in my MRI count. At this top, it also showed a top. A top means a big probability of downside movements for a long time of period. Normally, it's at least a four candle correction, and this was already a lot more. And that's even better to buy, guys, because a four candle correction, it's fine. Then it's go up. But with this, guys, you have a big discount on Hoppy in my way of viewing the market, guys. So, guys, this is something really strong for me. So I really believe in this count, and I think next week it's an exciting week, or the week after it's a very exciting week. Let's say this month, guys, I expect a big pump from Hoppy. I think the bottom is nearby, and beside that, I'm gonna show you something else, guys. I'm gonna show you something else what can make all the Hoppy investors very happy. The 4 days count, the 4 days, guys, it's a strong chart. The 4 days chart is a respected chart by a lot of traders, guys. They use it. And what I saw here, we can get also a MRI bottom on the 4 day. That means in seven, let's say 7, 8, 9. So that means in around 10 days, we also get an MRI buy in the 4 day chart if it goes a little bit down, a little bit more down in the upcoming week. So if that happens, guys, then we have a double MRI bottom, and on the 4 hour and on the weekly. A double confirmation is even more stronger indication, guys, that the price can go more up. It doesn't happen a lot. And beside that, guys, beside that, I also see that the MACD and the RSI are flipping a little bit. It looks like that the green line here gonna go a little bit sideways up. And I already, you can see in the daily, I'm gonna show you in the daily, guys. In the daily, it shows it's already crossing or almost crossed. It's just crossed. And that's a good indication. Here, we felt. It went a little bit up, but we felt. But now it's the double cross. And a double cross, guys, it looks for me quite interesting, because this is also a confirmation on the weekly. Because when in 2 weeks, the weekly will have an MRI bottom count on the 9, that means that the weekly MACD also almost gonna cross, guys, and that's also very interesting for me. Or at least the 4 days it will cross. So that means the MACD is then crossed on the daily and on the weekly, and we have a MRI weekly bottom. And let's see what the RSI gonna do in this moment. What will be very good if the money flow, the cash money flow, the CMF also will go up. That will be an extra confirmation. So what is important, guys, in this chapter, that we gonna cross above the moving averages. That's already also a very strong indication that we will see higher prices, because if we can close above this moving averages, it means that the bullish confirmation, it's really confirmed. Because the moving averages is normally a place that we can have some residence, some bulls that maybe gonna take some profit, or the bears that gonna struggle a little bit with the charts. But guys, for me, the strongest indication of all is the MRI weekly bottom, what comes in less than 2 weeks, guys. This is a very bullish thing for me. I cannot say it enough, and I'm very excited to see how that's gonna go with the OP charts, because it looks so good, and we already went down a lot with OP, guys. Let's see how much we went down from the top. I'm gonna take a look, guys. That's already a 300%, guys. A 300% down, and with the weekly buy, guys. This is for me opportunity to extra buy some extra Hoppy at this point because it looks really good. I see no more downside more than 2 weeks. If you get a downside from here, it should be a fast drop in the upcoming 2 weeks. And I don't see after this a drop anymore, guys. I think the price will go more up for Hoppy. I think the bottom is almost reached, so I'm very positive on Hoppy. I wanted to announce this also for all the Hoppy investors because I saw a little bit confusion here and there, but I think there is nothing to worry about, guys. This is not financial advice. Just this is my opinion about Hopi and about reading the charts. I think Hopi in generally it's a very strong coin. I checked also, like you guys know, I also checked the wallets, the top 10 wallets. That's important for me. I have an alert on the top 10 wallets. If something crazy happened with the top 10 wallets and people in the top 10, the whales, probably also the people, the team of Hopi that's in the top 10 wallets, if they gonna sell, I get an alert. Until now, guys, this top 10 wallets, they didn't sold. Even the couple in the top five, they even buy a little bit more Hopi. So that's also a good indication what confirms everything on a bullish trend soon, guys. I think it's just a question of time. I think you should be have strong hands. You should not be in doubt with Hopi. I think this project gonna have some gains. At least it's gonna break the all-time high, and it's gonna make 100% from there. I think at least. So that's already 400% up from this point, and that's a very good future. I think that's a good view on the on Hopi. And guys, I don't sell my Hopi at this moment. I don't think it's the time to sell your Hopi at this moment. I think the strong hands will see some profits in the future. I think they will get the profits from the weekends, and it's the game, guys. Sometimes the coin can drop, but when it drops too much, it's not the time to sell. When you believe in the project, okay. When you don't believe in the project, that's the other story. Sometimes you think, okay, this thing it's not gonna go up anymore. But with Hopi, I don't see that happen. I think the team is still active. I think the X is active. I think the investors are growing. The name is still spreading. And what I love from Hoppy, guys, this community, it's so positive. I cannot almost see a lot of bad things about Hoppy. Still, after a 300-400% drop, the people in Hoppy, they have faith and they believe in Hoppy. And I think, guys, this thing gonna grow. I think this community in the top of the market can make some name, and let's hope maybe one day Hoppy will reach the 100 to top 100 in the coin market cap. I think we deserve it. I think it is possible. It is realistic. So let's see what happened in 2 weeks, guys. I just wanted to make this quick update about Hoppy, about sharing my talks about Hoppy because I love this project. And I think we are nearby, guys. We are nearby, so hold strong. We already hold strong for 8 weeks. The holders, they have patience. And guys, in the market, if you have the patience, that's the moment that you can grow and that you can understand the market. Because without patience, guys, you will be shaked out in the wrong moments, and that's not what you want in the crypto market. So, guys, today I think it's a beautiful moment to end this positive video about Hope to Hopi, a realistic video, in my opinion, about Hopi. I hope it serves you in the future, or at least you can, maybe you was in doubt, maybe you can do something with this information. I hope it served for you guys. I wish you all a fantastic day. I wish you all a fantastic beginning of 2025. I expect some firework to come in this upcoming year for the cryptocurrency. I think we are in a very good state. And guys, I think this meme season it will start soon, and I think this month will have already some good gains. We are in the I think the most difficult time is already over. Like the Christmas and the New Year, that was the time. The vacation, everything is closed. The stock market is closed. We had some bad announcements before the Christmas. So I think, guys, we had this bad vibes behind us. I think from now we can maybe see some upwards movements, and let's hope if Bitcoin can also hold the 92K, because if Bitcoin gonna break the 92K, the probability is that we find support at 81K. And when Bitcoin goes to 81K, guys, expect a little drop for all the coins, because it will be a little bit yeah, let's say it will be a little bit panic in the market if that happens. That's a probability. That's, I give it like a 40% that can happen. I give it a 60% that doesn't happen. What we will see, guys, you need to act in trading with the moment. So we will see if Bitcoin gonna go up from here. If it's go up from here, I don't think we're gonna go back anymore. I think with also the 20th of January that Trump gonna go sit in his seat, and I think from that moment also there will come some positive news for Bitcoin, for the cryptocurrency market, and of course also for Hoppy, guys, because Hoppy, our favorite frog, is also in our heart, guys. I wish you all a great day, guys. I'm gonna end this episode tomorrow. We have a new episode. Probably we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin and maybe a couple altcoins, or at least one altcoin or meme coin. So I hope you all see you tomorrow, and I wish you all a fantastic holiday or whatever, wherever you are in the world, guys. Be happy, be strong in the market. Don't be confused, and hopefully soon we're gonna have better days, guys. So Crypto Milad. Wish you all a fantastic day, guys. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.